We were and we are an ummah that never ever gets defeated by our enemies. Never, never. Wallahi, our enemies never defeated us. We are an ummah that gets defeated from our own faults. When Muslims leave the guidance Allah gave them, when they go on their own, they become the lowest of the low, and they end up getting defeated and humiliated by the lowest people of their time. You all know what a speedometer is. You know how fast you're going. You know there's meters that check temperature. There's also a victory meter. A victory meter that we have. Look at the level of the obedience to Allah on this earth, the tawheed of Allah on this earth, the submission to Allah on this earth, the sharia of Allah on this earth, how it's implemented, and in accordance to that, the victory comes from the heavens. Simple. Simple and clear. We never achieved victory through power and number, never. We were always achieving our victories and success through Allah. And we lost it when we lost Allah out of our lives. One mistake, one misinterpretation. Let me make it clear so you understand it. One innocent misinterpretation. 70 of the beloved Sahaba, the men who Allah chose to surround His Prophet, 70 of them die. They flee. The Prophet ﷺ gets wounded. Let's look deeper into it. The ones who left the hilltop, the archers, how many did I tell you they were? 40. 40, the ones who, they were total 50. 40 went down before they were supposed to. The number of the army was how much? 700. 40 made the innocent mistake. So 660 get defeated for the mistake of 40. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is amongst them. It's not a game. The entire ummah takes a blow for the mistakes of the few. That's why it's my business and it's your business what happens in every part of the world. We are an ummah, an entire ummah. Now do you understand why the ummah is going through what's going through today?